Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another exciting video kasi hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko sa mukha ko. Pero oh my gosh, for the first time, I'm going to do a makeup demo using BLK Cosmetics. Bago ako bumili ng mga BLK products, nanood muna ako ng mga nauna na nag-upload. So I saw Riza Contawi, I saw Ann Klut's video bago ako umorder. So parang napagtanto ko guys, hindi lahat ng mga products doon, parang napupuso akong bilhin kasi yung iba is mahal. Actually, tinutukoy kong pinakamahal is yung CC BB cream or something like that. And dun sa mga napanood ko na mga videos, parang hindi ako natuwa dun sa performance niya. For some reason, kay Riza Contawi, it did work. But for the rest, parang hindi ganun kabongga yung performance niya. So I don't wanna waste money sa mga stick foundation, CC or BB cream na, ano mo yun, it's not gonna give me full coverage and all that. And siguro yung product na masasabi ko na magbibigay sa akin ng full coverage, nandun kasi siya sa kabilang kwarto but I still have it, is yung Maybelline Fit Me na stick foundation. I have a video on that, so please do watch it. Link up here or down below. So I got the 3 lipsticks kasi bumili na ako before itong yung first line nila ng lipstick and I fell in love with the formula. So I bought the 3 more kasi I think they have the same consistency. And mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Lipswatch nito. And then I got a lip and cheek tint. And then I also tried one of their liquid eyeshadows. And then hindi rin ako bumili nung lip cream and all that because I have a lip and cheek tint. And parang feeling ko, I don't know. It's another quite expensive for me for just, you know, ang magagawa lang niya is the cheeks. But I don't know, we'll see. So today's video, gagawa ko ng Korean inspired makeup look. Pero I'll try to make it as glam as possible kasi parang sayang naman kung, you know, everyday natural makeup lang yung gagawin ko. So let's try to make it like K-pop. Yeah, K-pop makeup. So I think uunahin ko muna yung eyes ko. So what I'm going to use is the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. And oh my god, you guys. So 2 ways to use this. You can apply it and then disperse the product. Spread it out. It will give you a really nice, beautiful sheen color. Or pwede mo siyang gawing super opaque, as in like i-layer mo or kapalan mo. Mamaya ko na siguro i-review lahat ng products, no? So, gagawa muna ako ng parang full face K-pop makeup. Pero guys, for my eyes, hingi ako ng tulong dito sa Everbelena Uncover 2 palette. So I'm just gonna take this color. It's like a light pink shimmery color. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease. Next I'm going to do is get a brown color in a really small brush. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya ng very, very slight dun sa outer V. As in, pang ano lang siya talaga, pang dagdag dimension. See the difference? So, gagawin ko muna yung eyebrows ko kasi yung product na gagamitin ko sa eyebrows, yun din yung gagamitin ko as eyeliner. Pero wait lang. So, this is a dual-ended eyebrow product. One side is for your eyebrows and the other side is for eyeliner. And this is from Sooperbeaute, you guys. Another local brand. And I kid you not, you guys, yung eyebrow, nagustuhan ko talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga kasi it has the consistency na gusto ko sa isang eyebrow product. Yung parang meron siyang tamang waxiness and napakadali lang niyang i-apply. Alam mo, paborito ko talaga yung mga ganito kaysa sa mga pomade or yung sa mga parang liquidy masyado. So, hindi ko masyadong kakapalan yung kilay ko because sa Korean makeup, hindi naman talaga, you know, yung mga Koreans, they're not really a fan of plakadong eyebrows. So, yung other side naman is for eyeliner. And etong eyeliner na to, guys, nagustuhan ko rin siya, honestly. Kasi napaka-pigmented and hindi siya patchy ilagay. Kahit na on top of a, you know, foil glittery eyeshadow that I have on. So, nagdadalawang isip ako kung gagawa ba ako ng plakak na eyeliner or, you know, just a simple eyeliner. Sige, try muna natin yung tiny eyeliner. Ayan no, ang pigmented niya. Hindi ko kailangan diinan or i-drag yung brush or yung felt tip. Gawin na lang natin bongga yung eyeliner. Ito na po ang eyeliner. Anyway, love this product. Highly recommend that you try it. So before I proceed with finishing my eye makeup, gagawin ko muna yung face ko. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation. And to achieve the Korean K-pop makeup look, lalagyan ko siya ng CC cream. This one is, I've had this for a long time na. This one is from ACLU. And actually, naghahanap pa ako ng iba pang CC cream na pwedeng pumalit dyan. Yung, alam mo yun, locally available. You can use a BB cream naman. A white, you know, really white BB cream to mix with your foundation. Pero alam mo, kahit morena ka, pwede ka mag-Korean makeup. I mean, you can achieve yung finish, yung glowy, dewy finish ng Korean makeup. Pero syempre, you have to use yung foundation na your own shade. So after the foundation, I'm going to get my Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. And this is going to be my highlighter. Pero gagawin ko siyang extra umphy. So I'm going to apply it sa highest points of my face. But at the same time, isa-spread ko siya dito very slightly sa cheeks ko. So, tatapusin ko na yung eyes ko. I'm going to get yung Intense Liquid Eyeshadow again. And then, maglalagay ako dito sa lower lash line. Slowly but surely, guys. I'm just really using yung pinaka-tip. And then, hanggang dito sa gitna siguro. And then, dadagdagan ko mas mababa pa siguro. And then I'm going to get a highlighter. This one is from Sleek palette. You can use any white highlighter. And then ilalagay ko siya sa inner corners up to yung 1/4 na tinira ko dito sa lower lash area ko. We are going to highlight yung ating mini eye bags. Kasi alam mo yung mga Koreans talaga, sila lang siguro yung parang lahi na ang cute pag may eye bags. And then, lalagyan ko lang ng highlight yung brow bone ko. So, hindi ko sure kung gagamit pa ako ng falsies, pero maglalagay na lang ako ng mascara muna. Kasi sa Korean makeup, parang hindi sila super fan ng, alam mo yun, really thick falsies or lashes. Eh, wala naman ako ng Taiwan lash. Kasi yung Taiwan lashes, di ba yun yung parang manipis lang. Very natural lashes. Eh, wala ako nun. Lahat ng lashes ko parang mga pamaypay. For my cheeks, I'm going to use yung BLK Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tint. Let me just show you what it looks like sa lips. So, I got the shade Red. Ito yung parang one layer lang. It's really nice. It's really gonna give you a subtle hint of color. Pero, mamaya ko na i-review, guys. Kasi may mga pros and cons tong product na to. But, for now, so yan yung itsura niya sa labi. Pero hindi kasi ito yung gagamitin ko sa lips ko. Kasi meron pa nga tayong tatlong lipsticks. So, I'm going to use this sa cheeks, you guys. And, ilalagay ko muna siya dito sa back of my hand. Dab. And then, yun ang slowly but surely ilalagay ko sa outer cheeks. Hindi ko siya i-apply ng diretso because madali kasi siyang matuyo, you guys. So, I'm not gonna do a drunk blush because nowadays, parang hindi naman na nagdo-drunk blush yung mga Koreans. They actually focus it over here. So, I'm just gonna contour my nose. And now we're going to move on to my favorite part, the lipsticks. So I have their 3 shades. So I'm gonna show you a lip swatch, you guys. next shade that I have on, you guys, is the shade My Love. And ito yung kanilang parang peachy color. It's peach color, pero really, really deep. And meron parang brown undertone. So, feeling ko babagay to sa mga mapuputi and kahit sa mga deeper skin tones. It's really gonna show up. And I really love it. I really, really love it. So, next shade that I have on is called Beautiful, and ito yung kanilang pink lipstick. And it's a warm tone lipstick, bagay sa maputi, or even if you have a deep skin tone, it will really show up still. And I think for me, it's a perfect everyday pink. It's not too blue tone, and it's not too bright. As in talaga perfect pink lipstick. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something. Next shade that I have on is called Honey, and eto yung kanilang entry for the red lipstick. Pero you guys, for some reason, this is so unique. I mean, it's a red lipstick, pero hindi siya yung parang red na, alam mo yun, parang ruby woo red or something like that. Para siyang red, pero hinaluan ng konting pink and konting brown. Kapag ka sinwipe mo to ng isa lang, and then inismudge mo ng fingers mo, it's gonna be like your lips but better. Pero ganito yung magiging itsura niya kapag ka finull pack intense color mo. And I really like it kasi hindi siya sampal sa mukha na red. So, for my lips, since meron tayong mala orangey na eyes, I'm gonna go get yung My Love na lipstick. And then I'm gonna use my finger to spread it. And alam niyo guys, diba dati sa Korean makeup, ang ginagawa nila parang paliitan ng labi. As in yung gitna lang nilalagyan ng color and nilalagyan ng powder yung outer lips para alam mo yun, mas para magmukhang maliit yung lips. Pero nowadays, napapansin ko sa Korean makeup, ginagawa na talaga nilang full yung lips. And they are really a fan of, you know, red lipsticks. Pansinin mo yung mga K-pop, lahat sila mga mapupula yung labi. Super simple eye makeup, kaya parang wala nga. And then eyeliner, and then, you know, plakadong foundation, and then just red lipstick. And then kukunin ko yung Honey, which is yung red color. And I'm just gonna apply it sa middle. Napanood din ba yung commercial ng BLK Cosmetics wherein ginamit ni Anne yung lip tint sa middle and then lipstick sa outer? Ano sa hindi ko magets yun? Parang mas okay ata na lip tint sa outer and then lipstick sa inner kasi parang mas heavy yung lipstick, so dapat yun yung nasa gitna. I am back and I know I look super maarte right now. Pero feeling ko kung K-pop idol ako, ito ang itsura ko. Like, funky and weird. Pero before I end this video, syempre sasabihin ko sa inyo ang aking very quick review dun sa mga BLK Cosmetics that I used on my face. Umpisahan natin sa liquid eyeshadow. Okay, pros nito, it does work. Kapag kayo spread mo siya sa eyes mo, it will really give you a really nice sheen or metallic sheen-ish. And you can also build up the color. Pwede mo siyang gawing intense on one area and all that. It is creamy, pero minsan kapag ka binlend mo na siya, meron siyang a little bit patchiness to it kapag ka unti-unti na siya nagda-dry. So, kung hindi ka sanay gumamit ng liquid eyeshadow, you will definitely find this pretty difficult to wear. Another pro is hindi siya talaga magmumove sa eyes mo. I mean, I'm not saying that's gonna last the whole day, pero may, alam mo yun, may laban yung lasting power niya kahit papano. Con is the price. This is $299 and it is a very tiny product. Hindi ko nga alam ilan ang laman nito. So, alam mo yun, hindi ko alam kung gaano siya katagal maglalast. Pero this is like the this is like the fourth time na gagamitin ko siya. And parang feeling ko, konti na lang yung laman niya. So, alam mo yun, parang hindi ako masyadong nasusulitan sa 300. Hindi ako masyadong nasusulitan sa 300 pesos tapos ganito ka-tiny or something like that. Pero personally, hindi na ako bibili ng ibang colors. Eto na yun. This is it for me. Next product is the BLK Lip and Cheek Tint. Okay, pros nito, maganda siya. Maganda siya sa lips, maganda yung pigmentation na, and it is not drying at all. Plus, the packaging is super cute. And yun lang yung naiisip kong anya. Pro. For the con, this is $249. And how many products do you get? It is so tiny. Again, just like the liquid eyeshadow, parang ang konti ng product niya for $249. I mean, plus you guys, I like it sa lips only. Pero kapag ka sa cheeks, I kid you not. Ilang beses ko na itong ginamit and most of the time, medyo patchy yung nagiging dating niya sa cheeks ko. Kahit ano pa ang nasa ilalim nun, may it be my natural skin, yung skin ko lang talaga, or meron na akong liquid foundation, or even kahit meron na akong foundation and then my setting powder na on top, it will tend to get patchy because it dries so fast. So, alam mo yun, kapag ka nilagay mo to, kailangan ganunin mo talaga. And hindi ko siya gusto sa cheeks, honestly. For the lips, okay. So, alam mo yun, for $249, hindi siya sulit, honestly. For me, hindi siya sulit. And parang feeling ko, marami pa kasing other liquid lip and cheek tint na, alam mo yun, mas maganda at mas mura kesa dito. Like sa Charm Cosmetics or even sa Tony Moly. Okay, last but not the least are the BLK lipsticks. You guys, eto na siguro yung pambawi. Kung meron man ako marirecommend sa inyo na bilhin, eto yon. Kolektahin nyo tong tatlong to because the formula is so good. I mean, for $2.99, super sulit na to. Yung formula niya, yung consistency niya, parang yung Maybelline Loaded Bulbs. Because it's very thick, it's very opaque, and I really love it, and I think it's worth $2.99, and go get these. Yun lang masasabi ko. So like I said kanina, hindi ako kumuha nung foundation stick because watching the videos that I saw, hindi ko talaga napusuan and I don't wanna waste my money on something that expensive and then hindi naman ako mabibigyan ng justice. And I'm so sorry, as much as I want to make a full face BLK Cosmetics demo for you guys, ako na siguro yung YouTuber na pinaka-practical. Pinaka-nagtitipid, pinaka-practical and all that. Hindi rin ako kumuha nung creamy cheek paint kasi my God, $3.49. And then para sa cheeks mo lang siya. Meron ka ng cheek tint. And then honestly, ito, pwede na rin to para sa cheeks mo. So the practical in me is screaming na don't buy it because it's not worth it. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit paano dun sa makeup demo na ginawa ko. And I'm not saying that don't buy all the products that I did not get. All I'm saying is yung personal opinion ka lang. Pero alam mo kung marami kang datong and you really want to try all the products for yourself, go ahead. Go ahead by all means. So yeah, I guess that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Click the bell button. Please, click nyo yung bell button para malaman nyo kapag gumawa ako ng bagong video. Click the bell button, subscribe to my channel. And you guys, meron akong dalawang giveaway. Yung Vice Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick Summer Collection. And then the Skincare Hub full pack on skincare products. So malapit na ako mamili ng winner at may time ka pa pag-upload ko nito. Siguro a few days after uploading this video, mamimili na ako ng winner. So may chance ka pa. Go, go, go. So go! Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!